Across the world, women consistently outlive men. This isn't just a minor difference. Women's life expectancy surpasses men's by several years in nearly every country. We've blamed risky jobs, hormones, and lifestyle choices, but these only scratch the surface. The real answer lies deep within our DNA. Recent science reveals that the secret to women's longevity is written in the very code of life. It's not just about estrogen or immune responses. Those are only part of a much bigger story. The real secret is genetic resilience, a hidden strength evolution has built into women's cells. Imagine our DNA as a vast library, with most of its secrets hidden in the margins, not the main text. We're only now learning to read these invisible instructions, notes that control which genetic books are read and when. This journey takes us into the dark matter of the genome, where a hidden symphony of regulation helps explain why women live longer. It's not about one gender being superior, it's about evolution's clever strategies for survival. Women's cells have a backup plan, a genetic safety net that men lack. By exploring this hidden landscape, we're uncovering principles of health and aging that matter for everyone. The universe has hidden one of its most elegant secrets inside the human cell. Now, for the first time, we have the tools to read it. Let's begin our search for the genetic code behind women's longevity. For years, scientists thought most of our DNA was useless junk. Only about 2% codes for proteins. The rest was dismissed as evolutionary leftovers. But this so-called junk is actually the control center of our genome. It doesn't build the cell's machinery directly, but orchestrates when and how genes are used. Within this non-coding DNA, we discovered long non-coding RNAs, or lncRNAs. Think of protein-coding genes as musicians, and lncRNAs as the conductors. These molecules don't make proteins. Instead, they manage the entire genetic orchestra. lncRNAs can switch genes on or off, fine-tuning the cell's response to its environment. This discovery changed our understanding of genetics. The complexity of an organism isn't about gene count, but about how genes are regulated. Humans have only slightly more genes than worms, but our regulatory network is vastly more complex. lncRNAs allow for the specialization of cells, brain, heart, bone, by controlling gene expression. They are the software running our genetic hardware. And now, we know they play a key role in aging and longevity. The secrets to a longer life may be hidden in these overlooked molecules. The junk is anything but. It's the master control panel for our health and lifespan. The answer to women's longevity lies in the X-chromosome. Women have 2 X chromosomes. Men have 1 X and 1 Y. The X is packed with over 1,000 crucial genes, while the Y is much smaller. To avoid a toxic double dose, women's cells randomly inactivate 1 X chromosome early in development. But this inactivation isn't perfect. 15 to 25% of genes, especially lncRNAs, escape and remain active. This gives women a unique genetic bonus: 2 active copies of key regulatory molecules, while men have only 1. It's not a double dose of everything, but a selective, powerful advantage. In tissues like the brain and ovaries, these escapee lncRNAs are especially active. This redundancy provides a backup system and enhanced regulation that men's cells lack. It's like having a co-pilot for your cellular machinery, ready to help navigate the turbulence of aging. This subtle genetic edge is a major reason women outlive men. What do these extra lncRNAs actually do? First, they boost DNA repair, acting as first responders to fix damage and prevent mutations. This keeps cells healthier for longer, reducing the risk of cancer and slowing aging. They also help control inflammation, dialing down harmful immune responses that drive age-related diseases. In the brain, these lncRNAs protect neurons, promote plasticity, and support cognitive resilience. Women's brains may be better equipped to withstand aging's challenges thanks to this robust regulatory network. It's a multi-layered defense system, orchestrated by these hidden conductors. This is the genetic foundation of women's longevity advantage. This isn't just theory. Long-term studies back it up. The Baltimore Longitudinal Study of Aging and the Framingham Heart Study show that women with higher levels of these X-linked lncRNAs live longer, healthier lives. These molecules are linked to lower inflammation and better DNA repair. Mayo Clinic research finds these lncRNAs protect the female brain from age-related decline. Real-world data connects women's extra lncRNAs to stronger DNA repair, calmer immune systems, and more resilient brains. The evidence is clear. Evolution has equipped women with a powerful genetic toolkit for longevity. And these findings hold lessons for everyone. Can we bottle this longevity secret? The answer is no. lncRNAs operate in a delicate, complex balance. Artificially boosting them could cause chaos, not health. You can't hack your way to longer life with a pill or supplement. The wellness industry may promise shortcuts, but there's no safe way to manipulate lncRNAs directly. These molecules interact with hundreds of genes in precise, context-dependent ways. Disrupting this balance could trigger cancer or autoimmune disease. The real lesson is to respect the complexity of our biology. Work with your body, not against it. Focus on proven strategies that support your genetic and cellular health. There's no magic bullet, only the wisdom of nature and science. If you can't hack your lncRNAs, what can you do? Support your body's genetic potential with healthy habits. Regular exercise reduces inflammation, improves DNA repair, and keeps cells robust. A Mediterranean-style diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, protects your DNA and calms inflammation. Quality sleep is essential. Your body repairs itself and clears out cellular waste at night. Manage stress with meditation, deep breathing, or time in nature to lower inflammation and protect your genes. These habits create the best environment for your genetic orchestra to thrive. You don't need extreme measures, just consistent, mindful care. The science is clear, simple routines have profound effects on longevity. Your daily choices are the real longevity secret. How do these habits support your genetic orchestra? It's about harmony with your body's natural rhythms, especially your circadian clock. Regular sleep-wake cycles let DNA repair genes work optimally. Polyphenols in colorful foods act as signals, turning on protective genes and reducing inflammation. Stress management shifts your body from survival mode to long-term repair. Social connection matters too. Positive relationships reduce stress and inflammation, supporting genetic health. Your routines, how you eat, move, sleep, and connect, write the score for your genetic symphony. These are the most powerful tools you have for a long, healthy life. You're not just eating for calories, you're feeding your genome information. A calm mind and strong social ties help your DNA do its best work. Every day, your habits shape your genetic future. The hidden genetic symphony on the X chromosome teaches us about resilience and the beauty of biological complexity. Women's longevity isn't a prize, but a reflection of evolution's strategy for survival. This science inspires awe, not division, and shows that health is about harmonious regulation, not shortcuts. Men can use this knowledge as motivation to double down on healthy habits. We all have control over the environment our genes operate in. Daily choices, exercise, diet, sleep, connection, support the same pathways that lncRNAs manage in women. The path to a longer, healthier life is consistent, mindful care of our miraculous biology. This new science unites us in a shared quest for health and vitality.